Hello, Morris class, Miss Baig here, and welcome to your first maths lesson in the month of February. For this week, today is the 1st of February 2021. I hope you've had a fantastic weekend. I really look forward to seeing everybody in the live sessions. So let's sit tight, crack on with our arithmetic. If you would like to do challenge 1, then please complete challenge 1. If you would like to do challenge 2, then please complete challenge 2. And once you come back, then we will complete the questions together. So good luck, Morris class, and see you in a few seconds. Okie dokie, welcome back, Morris class. We are going to be going through the answers. Okay, so let's go through the first one. We have 4 add 5. So I know that 5 is a bigger number, so I'm going to put 5 in my head and I'm going to count on my 4 fingers, and that's 4. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 add 4 equals 9. Fantastic. Now I've got a new pen in front of me with a new tablet. So if my writing is going a bit all over the place, it's because I'm still getting used to this very sensitive touchpad. Okie dokie. Next one, we have 15 take away 7. So I'm going to put 15 into my head. So I'm going to put 15 in my head. I'm going to hold up 7 fingers and then I'm going to take away. Okay, so that's 15, that's 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Fantastic. 15 take away 7 equals 8. Lovely. Next one, we have 18 add 5. So I know that 18 is a bigger number, so I'm going to put 18 in my head. I'm going to hold up 5 fingers and I'm going to count forwards, okay, because it's add. That's 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Fantastic. Well done. 18 add, oh, wrong way around. 18 add 5 equals 23. Great stuff, Morris class. Well done. And for your extension underneath, so for your extension underneath, it says something take away something equals 5. So let's start with 10. 10 take away 5 equals 5. Or we could have, let's start with, let's have 7 take away, how many do I need to take away from 7 to get to 5? Well done. 2. 7 take away 2 equals 5 as well. Okie dokie, Morris class. Let's move on to challenge 2, question number 1. So we've got 48. 48 add 21. So I'm going to use my column addition. I'm going to do 48 add 21. So I know that 8 add 1 equals 9. 4 add 2 equals 6. Well done. So 48 add 21 equals 69. Fantastic. Okay, next I have 9 lots of 5. Question number 2, 9 lots of 5. Now remember, there are 2 ways to complete this question. One way is you could draw 9, oh, where is that going? 9 groups. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you could draw 5 dots in each group. But that's going to take me quite a long time to draw those. So I'm going to use my fingers. I'm going to hold up 9 fingers and then I'm going to count in my 5s. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Well done. So 9 lots of 5 equals 45. Fantastic. Let's just rub out. So you don't get confused. Well done. Okay, the next question that we have is we have 5 add something equals 36. So 5 add something. Now, there are 2 ways I could do this. I could start off with 5 and I could keep counting along all the way up to 36 to get my answer. Or we could do the inverse. We could take 5 away from 36 to give us, oops, oopsie daisy, sorry about that, to give us our answer. So I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to do 6 take away 5, which equals 1. 3 take away 0 equals 3. So I know that 5 add 31 equals 36. Okie dokie. Well done, Morris class. Now, underneath, you have your last extension question. And the question is, you need to add 3 digits together to make 15. Now, I'm going to show you a repeated addition number sentence that we could have to make 15. Can you think of how many times we need to add a certain number together to make 15? Well done! So we could do 5, add 5, add 5 equals 15. And then, from this repeated addition number sentence, can I create a multiplication sentence? Can you help me? Well done. So I know that I have one group of 5 here, I have another group here, and I have another group here. So that's 1, 2, 3. There's 3 lots of 5, which equals 15. Fantastic, Morris class. Well done for completing your arithmetic. I will be checking on Tapestry to see which 3 numbers you have added together to make 15, as well as extension 1. Okay, let's begin the next part of our maths lesson. Right, our learning objective today is, can I count in multiples of 2? Can I count in multiples of 2? Well done. We are going to be focusing on counting in our 2's in this lesson. So let's begin. Oh, I have to make myself smaller again. Sorry. Okay, it says, how many cookies are there? How many cookies are there, Morris class? Now, I know that there are 2 on each plate, so I'm going to write 2, 4, and 6. So altogether there is 2, 4, 6. There are 6 cookies all together. Okay, now I'm going to count my socks. So I know that there's 2 here. Next, 4. Can you count with me? 6, well done. 8, ooh, 8, well done. What comes next? Is it 9? Oh, sorry, I'm counting in my 2's. And 9 is an odd number, so that can't be in the 2 times table. And is it 11? Oh, no, it's 12. Okay, now, so I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So there are 12 socks all together. Let's move on to the next page. Okay, it says, do you remember our dominoes game that we made? Now, I have been checking on Tapestry and I am so impressed with all of the dominoes board games that you have created at home. Very impressed. So well done. Give yourself a pat on the back. You did a fantastic job. So double means twice as many or twice the amount. So underneath we have 2. We have 2 groups multiplied by 2 objects in each group, which equals 4. And we can double check that because there's 2 groups here and they've got 2 dots, 2 cubes in each group. And if we add them together, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 multiplied by 4 indeed equals 4. Okay. Again, the 2 times table is doubling an amount twice. So here is an amount. We've got 1 group of 3. Okay, so we've got 1 group of 3. We then have a second group of 3. So we've got 3 dots in this group and we have 3 cubes in this group. 3 add 3 or 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. Fantastic. Well done, Morris class. Okay, next we have 4 cubes in one group and we have 4 cubes in another group. So we have 4 on this side and we have 4 on this side. Can you see that there is always the same amount in each group? So in the 2 times table, so the 2 times table is doubling an amount twice. So we've got one group and then we've got a double. We've got the exact same amount twice. So 2 multiplied by 4 equals 8. How about this one? We've got 1 10 stick in one group. And if we double that, so that's double. I'm going to write double here. Let's see if my pen can write it really nice and neat. Oh, that is so much neater, Morris class. No more bad writing from Miss Baig. Okay, this pen really does work. That's amazing. Okay, so we've got double the amount twice. So we've got 1 10 stick here, and we double it to make 2 10 sticks. So 2 multiplied by 10 equals 20. Okie dokie. And here we have another example. So pause the video here and have a look at this example. And then we have another example over here. So again, this is, dun, 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 it is double. So, okay, it's double. 2 times 13, because I've got 13, I've got 10, 11, 12, 13. Add another 13 equals 26. Okie dokie, Morris class. Now, you do not need to write this down, but could you pause the video here and have a go at just mentally completing that? So that means just saying it in your head. You're not writing it down. Mentally, can you complete the number tracks below? If you would like to do just challenge 1, then please complete challenge 1. Challenge 2 and challenge 3, children, I would like you to do all 3. So pause the video here and have a go. Okay, Morris class, in front of you, you can see that the number track has been completed in case you were stuck on a few missing digits. Okie dokie. Moving on to the next bit. It says, here is our lovely friend Jack. And it says, can you help Jack create multiplication sentences using the lots of cubes below? So let's count how many groups we have. We have 1 lot. Oh, that's a very bad circle. Let's try that again. We have 1 lot here. We have a 2nd lot here. We have a 3rd lot here. And we have a 4th lot here. So we have 4 lots of how many cubes do we have in each lot? Show me your fingers. Well done. So 4 multiplied by 2 equals, now let's count. Hold up 4 fingers and count in your 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. Fantastic. So 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. Now remember, multiplication is commutative. Commutative. So that means it doesn't matter if the number, if 2 goes before 4 or 4 goes after 2, it still makes the same answer. So we can have 2 multiplied by 4 still equals 8. Okay, let's look at the next example. Oh, here is Laura, and she's asking us to help her create multiplication sentences using the lots of cubes below. First, let's count how many lots we have. So, are you ready to count with me? Thank you. Let's go. We've got 1. We've got 2. We have 3. Oh, that's a very dodgy 3. Still getting used to this one. Oh, it's deleted that one as well. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 lots of how many cubes are in each lot? Show me your fingers. Well done. 6 multiplied by 2. What is the answer altogether? Let's hold up 6 fingers and let's count in our 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Fantastic. 2 multiplied by 6 equals 12. What is double 6? What is double 6, Morris class? Well done. Double 6 is 12. Fantastic. Okay, so multiplication is commutative. So what is the second multiplication sentence I can write for these lots of cubes? Can you tell me? Sorry, say that again. I couldn't hear you. Well done. 2 multiplied by 6 equals 12. Fantastic. Well done. Okay, we have another one here. It says, this is lovely Kyle, and he's asking help to write 2 multiplication sentences using these towers of cubes. First, let's count. How many lots are there? There's 1 here, and there's 2. Now, how many cubes are in each lot? Can you help me count? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fantastic. So we had 2 lots multiplied by 7 equals, right. So now if you don't know if you hold up 2 fingers, now if you're not sure of your 7 times table, you can do 7, hold up 7 fingers and then still count in your 2s. Remember, multiplication is commutative, so it will still give you the same answer. So let's count in our 2s. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Fantastic. So 2 multiplied by 7 equals 14. Now, what is the other multiplication sentence we can write? Can you tell me? Well done. Fantastic. 7 multiplied by 2 also equals 14. And we know that because multiplication is commutative. Fantastic. Well done, Morris class. Okay, what I would like you to do is pause the video here. Remember, you're not writing this down. You are just saying it out loud. Pause the video here. And can you complete these questions? Complete question number 1 first, and then we'll go through it together. Well done. So are you ready? Now, first, we're going to find out what is 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. And what is 2 add 2? 4. So is it, which sign do we need to use? Can you show me? Well done. We need to use the equal sign. Fantastic. Next, we have 3 multiplied by 2. Is it more than or less than 10 take away 4? Pause the video here and have a good think. Okie dokie. First, let's start with 3 multiplied by 2, which is 6. Fantastic. And what is 10 take away 4? Well done. That is 6 as well. So which sign do we need to use? Well done. We need to do the equal sign. Okay, and the last one that we have underneath is, pause the video here and have a go at this one. Okay, we've got 10 multiplied by 2. So I know that it's double the number. So what is 10 add 10? Equals 20. And what is 10 add 10? That also equals 20. So I'm not even going to ask you because I can see it is equal. Fantastic, Morris class. Well done. Okay, it is now your turn to complete your activity. So you will need your pen and paper or pencil and paper for this part of the lesson. Now, if you usually complete challenge 1, then please listen up. This is your challenge. You are going to write a multiplication sentence matching the pictures. Now, there are 3 different sets of pictures here. We have A, we have, oh, oopsie daisy, what happened there? We have B, no, don't know what's going on there. There we go. We have B, and then we have C. So you need to write a multiplication sentence to match the froggies. Then you need to write a multiplication sentence to match the dice. And then you need to write a multiplication sentence to match the trucks, which are all trains, which are £2 each. Okay, once you have completed that challenge 1, children, you also have a second question. Your second question is, oh, let's make myself a little bit smaller so you can see. It says, complete the missing numbers on the number line. So you have 2. So started you off nice and easy. You've got 0, you've got 2, 4. What comes next? What comes next? What comes next? Then it's 12. And then what comes next? And what comes next? So that is your second question. Moving on to challenge number 2. Question 3. It says compare the equations below using the more than, less than, and equals to sign. So just like we did together, first find the answer for each side and then compare and see if it is more than, less than, or equal to. And please complete that for A and B. Okie dokie, moving on to question number 4. Now this is for challenge 2 and challenge 3, children. So it says complete the multiplication sentences and draw the missing counters in the arrays to match. For example, okay, we have A. First, you need to find the answer to 2 multiplied by 2. So what is 2 multiplied by 2? Show me your fingers. What is 2 lots of 2? Well done. 4. So here we have 1. Oops, keep pressing the wrong thing. Sorry. We have 1, 2, 3 dots. How many do we need? Well done. We need 1 more. So you will draw 1 more. Now this is complete. It's matching. And now can you complete this array with this multiplication sentence, and can you complete C as well? Okay, next, challenge 3, question 5. It says complete the missing numbers below. So we've got A, please not number them, but put the alphabet next to each question so I know which answer you have input for which alphabet. Well, that's a number, but they're not numbers, they're alphabets. Okay, and then lastly, we have an extension. The extension has 2 questions because some of you have been finding the challenges fairly easy. So I thought we'll give you 2 extensions just to get your mathematical juices flowing. So question number 6 is a reasoning question. It's Teddy has £8. Rosie has twice as much money as Teddy. How much money does Rosie have? And then we have question number 7. It says Ava says every number in the 2 times table is even. Is she correct? And explain your answer. Now, when the question says explain your answer, Morris class, and some of you are notorious for doing this, you don't just put the answer, let me just demo it for you. You don't just put the answer, yes. That's not explaining your answer. When it says explain your answer, you need to write something along the lines of, I think Ava is right because, and then you explain your reason. Okay, so I'm going to be looking on Tapestry to see who has done some fabulous explanations and their writing. Okay, Morris, we have come to the end of our maths lesson. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson counting in our twos. Please do keep uploading your work onto Tapestry, and I will see you in our next lesson. Take care for now. Bye-bye.